Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the field of journalism, revolutionizing the way news is gathered, analyzed, and delivered. From automated content generation to data-driven reporting, AI is reshaping the landscape of journalism and opening up new possibilities. One significant application of AI in journalism is automated content creation. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify relevant information, and generate news articles, reports, and summaries. This automated process saves time and resources, enabling journalists to focus on in-depth analysis and investigative reporting. AI-powered data analysis plays a crucial role in journalism. By leveraging machine learning and natural language processing, journalists can analyze complex datasets, detect patterns, and derive insights. AI algorithms can process large volumes of information, identify trends, and uncover hidden connections, facilitating data-driven journalism. Real-time information gathering is another area where AI excels in journalism. AI-powered tools can monitor social media platforms, news websites, and other sources to collect and aggregate information on specific topics. This enables journalists to stay updated on the latest developments and provide timely and accurate news coverage. AI-driven sentiment analysis is valuable in journalism for understanding public opinion and analyzing social media trends. By analyzing user-generated content and social media conversations, AI algorithms can gauge sentiment and identify emerging topics. This insight helps journalists identify important stories and adapt their reporting to the interests and concerns of their audience. Enhanced user experiences are facilitated by AI in journalism. AI-powered recommendation systems can personalize news content based on users' preferences and reading habits. This helps readers discover relevant articles and explore diverse perspectives, creating a more engaging and tailored news experience. Ethical considerations are important in AI-powered journalism. Ensuring transparency, accountability, and avoiding bias are critical factors in the responsible use of AI in news reporting. Journalists need to understand and critically assess AI-generated content, maintaining their role as storytellers and gatekeepers of information. In conclusion, AI is transforming the field of journalism, enabling automated content creation, data-driven reporting, real-time information gathering, sentiment analysis, and personalized user experiences. As AI technologies continue to evolve, journalists and news organizations must embrace these advancements to leverage the power of AI while upholding journalistic values and ethical standards. Join us in our upcoming videos as we explore the intersection of AI and journalism, delving deeper into AI-powered news gathering, automated content generation, and the evolving role of journalists in the era of AI.